Welcome to a new video, my friends. Universe, it's angry. It's storm. It's rain. In these moments, when the weather is frightening, I am even more delicate when it comes to my mental health. And today it's usually the day I prepare a video for you. So yes, as you can see, I have one. But in this one, based on all the mood and everything that I am feeling, I will share a poem with you. A poem is written by a poet, Matthew Welsh. The Alkonost. A Diana space and Alkonost sings. Siren, sing me a pretty song, they said. So every weekend she sang, and for a moment they loved her, so she loved herself. They saw meaning in her song, so she did too. She sang, they listened. She poured out her soul, they applauded. She felt whole because she was hurt. The next weekend they returned. Siren, sing me a pretty song, they said. So she sang, and for a moment they loved her, so she loved herself. They saw meaning in her song, so she did too. She sang, they listened. She poured out her soul, they applauded. She felt a little less whole, but she was hurt. The next weekend they returned. Siren, sing me a pretty song, they said. But she was tired, and her voice had grown weak. She thought, they will not love me if I do not sing. So she sang. They listened. She poured out what was left of her soul. They applauded, but she felt empty. Shouldn't I feel grateful to be heard? She thought. The next weekend they returned. Siren, sing me a pretty song, they said. But she had lost her voice, and there was no song left to sing. They did not love her, so she did not love herself. They saw no meaning in her song, so neither did she. She was silent, they stared, her soul was empty, they did not care. The next weekend they did not return, and in the silence of their absence and the absence of their attention, she began to sing, and no one loved her for it, except for herself. There was meaning in her song because she believed. She thought they made her whole, but she was wrong. It was never their applause. It was always her song. So slzami v očiach, ťažké je vidieť svet, preto nenechaj si zrak svoj nikdy slzami zastrieť. Svet nemá slzy rád, ešte ťa vysmeje. V živote vyhráva len ten, čo sa navždy usmeje. We come here and make these videos, and maybe sometimes we even cry for help. Look at me. Do you see me? Do you agree with me? Are you gonna write me comment? Give me thumb up. Again, I want to thank the author, the poet, Matthew Welsh, for writing this amazing work. Thank you. And thank you all of you if you watch this video. And whatever you want to write about it or you don't, should not really matter, should it? Despite saying all of this, I will be making these videos. Maybe with a different attitude, maybe with a different outlook, because now I know what my goal is. My goal is to stand there, sing my song, and it doesn't matter if there is any clapping, agreeing, or how big my audience is. That's the goal. But I will be coming because this is good for my mental health, for my brain. After all, it's a little challenging. Sometimes takes time to prepare these little videos. It's a hobby. So I don't get Alzheimer's one day. We have to exercise the brain. And my mother is also watching. And I want her to see how I am doing, what I am doing. Plus, some of you who became a little closer with me over these years. And maybe you tune in once a week to see what Yana is up to. I know you do. So I'll see you in the next video. Today is a really, really extreme day out there. But spring is here. New energy, new feelings, and new hopes. Bye. Got pussy willows. That's a big sign of spring. We call them manushki. Beautiful. It means spring. It means Easter. I'm gonna put them in a vase here on the table. Beautiful. Reminds me so much home. My Slovakia.